Oh boy, Dom. More.
Oh boy.
Is it green?
Oh boy.
Spy box.
Pie box.
Xbox. It's green. Xbox. Dom can read. Oh boy. Spy box.
Yeah. Again.
Sippy cup out of the frame. Is it green? That cute face, man. And what do you know? You have no shirt on. Spy box. Oh boy, Dom.
Maybe he'll want to press it.
Yeah, I'm gonna press it.
Okay, ready, bud?
Ready?
To watch the Xbox, you gotta press the green one. Press the green one. Press A. Press A. Press
Hard.
hard.
Good. All right.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Paused it. I'll fix it.
Uh-oh.
Okay, green. Press
Ready?
it one time hard.
Cool, Dom. What?
What?
You did it? I think he's saying I did it.
Mm-hmm.
You did it! Oh, again. Do it again. Ready? Press it hard, yeah.
Hard. I like the interaction.
Yeah.
Because he knows once it goes to the screen, he's got to
Press the button, yeah.
press the button. It's an expensive toy.
Yeah, you like expensive toys. Xboxes, computers.
MacBooks.
Yeah, MacBooks. You can do it again? You gotta press the button. What is that face? You don't want to press the button anymore? You all done? You want Mom to do it? Mom, do it. Okay, say bye to the camera. Say bye, camera. See ya. Hey, Dom, I love you. No! What? Yes, I do. Yes, I do, silly. Yeah, Dad's drinking beer.
Yeah. Drinking beer. It's good. It's not for Dominic.
You got your juice, Dom.
Dad's beer.
Dad's beer. Dad's beer. Yeah, you want juice?